Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Everett and I'm a college instructor here to help you master the basics of Adobe Illustrator. In today's video, we'll explore the fundamental tools and functions you'll need to get started with Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is a powerful software used for creating vector graphics, which are essential for designing logos, illustrations, and much more. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your skills, this video will guide you through the essentials. Let's dive in. Now let's take a quick look at the common tools and functions we'll be covering in this video. We'll explore the pen tool, artboards, paths and anchor points, layers, gradient and color tools, the text tool, the shape builder tool, stroke and fill options, and effects. These are the essentials you need to start creating amazing vector graphics in Illustrator. Let's start with the pen tool. This is one of the most powerful tools in Illustrator, allowing you to create and edit anchor points and paths with precision. It's essential for drawing shapes and lines. You can access it from the toolbar on the left or by pressing P on your keyboard. With the pen tool, you can create straight lines, curves, and complex shapes by placing anchor points and adjusting their handles. Next up, we have Artboards. Artboards define your workspace and let you manage multiple versions of your designs within a single document. Think of them as different canvases where you can create and organize your artwork. You can add, delete, and arrange artboards using the Artboard tool, which you can find in the toolbar or access by pressing Shift+O. Paths and anchor points are the basic building blocks of vector graphics. A path is a line that can be straight or curved, and anchor points are the points that define the shape of the path. You can use the Direct Selection tool, which you can access by pressing A, to click on and manipulate these points to adjust your design. Layers are crucial for organizing your elements and controlling the stacking order of objects in your design. Each layer can contain multiple objects, and you can toggle their visibility, lock them, or rearrange their order. Access the Layers panel from the right-hand side or by pressing F7. This helps keep your workspace organized and makes it easier to manage complex designs. With the gradient and color tools, you can add depth and interest to your designs. The gradient tool, accessed by pressing G, lets you create smooth color transitions, while the color panel allows you to choose and manage colors. You can save frequently used colors as swatches for easy access. Experiment with different gradients and colors to bring your designs to life. The text tool is essential for adding and editing text in your designs. Press T to activate the text tool, then click anywhere on your artboard to start typing. You can customize your text by changing the font, size, alignment, and more using the character and paragraph panels. Text is vector-based in Illustrator, so it remains crisp and clear at any size. The Shape Builder tool makes it easy to combine, subtract, and intersect shapes. Select multiple shapes, then activate the Shape Builder tool by pressing Shift+M. Click and drag through the areas you want to combine, or hold Alt and click to subtract areas. This tool is perfect for creating complex shapes from basic ones. Stroke and fill options let you apply colors, gradients, and patterns to your paths and shapes. The fill color is the interior color, while the stroke color is the border. You can adjust these options from the toolbar or the Properties panel. Use different stroke weights and styles to add variety to your designs. Finally, let's talk about effects. Illustrator offers a range of effects that you can apply to your objects, including transformations, distortions, and stylizations. Access these from the Effects menu at the top. For example, you can add a drop shadow, warp your text, or apply a 3D effect. Experiment with different effects to give your designs a unique look. And there you have it. We've covered the basics of Adobe Illustrator. These are the essential tools that will help you get started with creating amazing vector graphics. I encourage you to experiment with these tools and practice regularly to become more comfortable with Illustrator. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your design skills. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions or suggestions for future videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. For more in-depth learning, check out the resources in the description below, and stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll dive deeper into advanced Illustrator techniques. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!